How to send meeting invite in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. On the left side, you will find Calendar. Click on Calendar. Then, click on New Event at the top left. After you click on New Event, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add title of your meeting. Then to invite, click on Invite Attendees. And then you can invite people by adding their email. Then select the date, select the time. You can also add description. After you have done that, press on Send, which is at the top above your title. Press on Send and meeting invite will be sent. This is how to send meeting invite in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.